Hey YouTube, Savage Addict. I'm going to do a little update on my Ecx Ruckus. Now, since I've put this Ghoul RC brushless system in here and running a 5400 milliamp hour Venom 3-cell, I keep breaking the axles. I've broken the Rustler VXL, the Stampede VXL, and I've even broken the yoke of a Slash heavy duty. So this is the 6853X. I'm gonna try it again. This old one was wore out from the Rustler, so I'm hoping maybe with a new one in there I can get a little more use out of it. So I have a upgraded Ecx steel gear diff inside, and now I'm running these Slash heavy duty axles. I don't know if I just need to upgrade to the MIPs, which I don't know if they fit this, because I had to drill out this to get it on. To get these to fit, I had to drill these out. So hopefully with these newer pieces, they won't break as easily. I also popped the cap off doing some jumps, so I've upgraded to the Traxxas big bore aluminum's titanium shaft. Got a lot of use out of them with the Rustler doing some big jumps, and they haven't broke, so maybe I'll be able to get some fun out of this truck without breaking stuff on it. So if anybody has any ideas with these shafts, just let me know. I know I've seen videos of people doing high speed runs with these and liking them better than the steel. I can't get them to quit breaking right here. I'm just running stock gearing on it, so it's nothing really special. I'm just trying to have a little fun with it, and it just wants to break. So, but we're gonna try out these new pieces and see if we can have some fun. I'm gonna try out the Ruckus with its new axles and new shocks, hitting the ramp, see if it holds up. And no, that wasn't slow motion. That's just how it landed. So far the axles are holding up, the shocks are holding up. We might have a new Ruckus. Looks like it wants to do a backflip, but I don't really want to do all that right now. But it doesn't want to lay back out flat. So far it seems to be holding up pretty good. That was a good jump. Man, get some good axles on there, some good shocks. This thing performs pretty well. Oh. Thought about doing a backflip. Stay back so I don't hit you. Epic, huh? Nah. It broke this time. Actually, it didn't break. All it did was pop this piece here off. And it just popped the piece off. Yep.
Why are you taking the video?
Because it's fun. Flip it over.
Making a noise.
That's the fan.
Where's the fan?
There's a fan to cool it off.
The car said, I'm ready to do this.
So it lost the pins that hold the body mount to the shock tower. Let me see if I can find some more and be right back.
Can I drive it, please?
No, this one brakes easy.
Like my new scooter.
Alright, I'm glad. Stay out of the way so I don't hit you. Ah. Well, no damage from that. I don't like landing it like that. That was a hard landing. Seems to slip in the tall grass. Oh my God. So as you can maybe see, stripped out the spur gear again. This is all stock, and I got that motor as tight as possible. So when I was setting that gear mesh, it seemed a little loose. I don't know if you can see it, but that thing's tight now. I'm sure it took a landing on the motor and made it even tighter. Even though I Loctite the screw, yeah, so now it's ruined my gear. When, I don't know, this thing's not meant for jumping. I don't care what them other videos say. Everything on this truck breaks. But it was fun while it lasted. Anyway, so I've stripped another spur gear on the Ruckus. I'd gotten that thing as tight as it would go, but I think it took a bad landing on the back and made the motor even tighter. So I'm gonna have to figure out what the deal with it is. This truck does not like the abuse. But anyways, the axle's held up and the shock's held up, so that's a plus. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time.